Our lesson that we are having today is on connectives. Right, we start by defining what connectives are. Connective is a word that phrases, um, joins phrases, clauses, and sentences. So, if you are having these words in your sentences, like this example that we have here, the word however was used as a connective. We have two sentences here. I was hungry, I did not eat my dinner. Then however was used to join these two sentences. I was hungry, however I did not eat my dinner. Right, we have here Flora did her homework, she went to dance. So we're going to join these two sentences, which means we're going to put a word in between there that can join these sentences and make better sense. So Flora did her homework, she went to dance. There are several words that we can use here. We can have words like before. So somebody can use the word although there, and many other words that you may come up with. Adam likes vanilla ice cream. James likes mint ice cream. So these can be joined, and you will find a way of joining them. You choose a word of your choice to join them. The children walked slowly, they were tired. Right here, you may need a qualifying connective there, like because it's a qualifying connective. 6 eggs were needed in the recipe. I only had 3. This one is easy to join again. You have to join them. The boy forgot his homework. He was given a detention. Okay, so at this point, you pause the video, then you write these sentences. We're going to find connectives that were used in this piece of writing. So you have to pause the video, and if you can copy this down into your exercise book and underline all those the connectives that you will find in there. Okay. Making your own greeting cards may be simple, but it is very rewarding. Despite the low cost of materials, finished cards can look very professional. Consequently, you will earn extra brownie points with your friends and family because you have put a lot of time and effort into them. Furthermore, if you are not very arty or you don't have a lot of time, there are a lot of easy but effective designs you can try. If you really do struggle for creative ideas, then look on the internet and in books until you feel inspired. The more cards you make, the better they will be. In other words, practice makes perfect. So there are several connectives that were used in this paragraph. Some of them were to join ideas so that an idea that was said previously is linked. Like here, the word consequently, I will just pick some, not all. You have to look for the others yourself. And furthermore, we never talked about these ones in the previous slide. And if we go down there, if you really struggle, right? So these are the other two connectives that are used to connect ideas. So connectives include conjunctions that are used to join sentences, other connectives like furthermore, consequently, that are used to connect ideas. You can pause the video now so that you can start copying that paragraph and underline the connectives in your book. Here are the connectives that you were supposed to have found and underlined, right? We talked about consequently and furthermore. You can pause this video and have a look at them. These are some of the connectives that you have to learn to use even in your writing. You have to be able to use these connectives, not to write something that is too plain. So we've come to the end of our lesson, and I wish you good journey in writing using connectives. Until we meet again in the next video, ciao.